Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope everybody are keeping fine at home. So children, now it's time for the warm-up song. Okay, now come on, join me and sing with me. Get ready to clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands together. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands together. Now, tap your knees. Tap, tap, tap your knees together. Tap your knees once again. Tap, tap, tap your knees together. Can you stomp your feet? Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet together. Do it, children. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet together. Blink, blink, blink your eyes. Blink your eyes together. How do you blink your eyes? Blink, blink, blink your eyes together. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your fingers together. Clap, clap, clap your hands together. Very good, children. Children, do you remember the story which we learnt in the previous class? Which story did we learn? Yes, the two sisters. And what did you learn from the story, the two sisters? Yes, very good. We learned that we must be kind and helpful to others. So children, now your mom has come up with a new story. The story of the tortoise. And do you know the name of the story? The name of the story is The Talkative Tortoise. Now children, let's listen to the story. Long, long ago, there lived a tortoise and the two storks near a pond in the forest. They were best friends. And you know what, children? The tortoise was very talkative. It would talk and talk and talk a lot. And one day what happened? Summer arrived and the trees in the forest started dying and the ponds also started drying up, and the tortoise and the storks were not getting food and water. And what happened then? The two storks, they talked to each other and they decided to move to a better place, move to a new place where they could find food and water. They came to the tortoise and they said, "Hey tortoise, we are going away from this place. We are not getting food and water in this place. Bye, goodbye tortoise, we are leaving now." And the tortoise felt very sad. Why? Because the tortoise was left alone, right? The storks are leaving the tortoise and they are going. And the tortoise requested the storks, "Hey my friends, could you also take me to the place where you are going?" And the storks felt pity on the tortoise, and the storks decided to take the tortoise to a better place where they are going. And they thought of a plan. The storks thought of a plan. And what was the plan? The storks brought a long stick and they told the tortoise, "Hey tortoise, hold the stick in the middle with your mouth and never open your mouth and talk while we are flying." And what happens? If you open your mouth, you will fall down if you open your mouth and speak. Okay tortoise, please remember that you are not going to speak when we are flying. And the tortoise agreed. "Okay dear friends, I will not talk. I'll promise that I will not talk." And now children, the storks took the stick and held the stick at both the ends with their beak, and the tortoise held the stick with its mouth in the middle, and the storks started flying along with the tortoise. They were flying and flying, and they reached a village. And when they reached the village, the people over there saw the two storks carrying the tortoise, and they made fun of the tortoise. They were shouting and they were clapping. What did the people do? Looking at the tortoise, they were making fun of the tortoise and they were clapping and shouting, and this made the tortoise very angry. He could not control his anger. And what did the tortoise do? He forgot his promise. What was the promise? That he will not open his mouth while the storks are flying, right? And now what did the tortoise do? The tortoise opened his mouth to talk. And what happened then? Thud, the tortoise fell down. Seeing this, the storks felt very sad about the tortoise, and the storks missed the tortoise very much. And children, now tell me, what do you learn from the story? Yes, the story was very interesting, right? So what do we learn? We learn that we must focus on what we are doing, and we must not act on what others speak about you, right? Your work is important. You should focus on your work and you must complete it. All right, children? Hope you all enjoyed listening to the story. See you in the next class, children. Take care. Bye.